Hey gang, Friday, and going to get into this one. Went this morning and I bought the panel. Okay matey, I bought the panel. See you Harley. Drive safe. Okay. So there's the panel that's going to go on. I'll unpick what I need from there. And then took Christy up to have a look at another car. She's a good girl. She's a Holden fan too. And she just drove back with that one, which is 2004 model. And it's got all the power options. It's 3.9 Alloy Tech V6 automatic. And we did alright out of it. We stopped, we saw a buddy of mine, and he traded that one in last night. And I said, listen Joe, let's not screw around. What's the bottom line? After I'd already taken it for a drive. Christy really only wanted to spend $3,000 or $4,000 on a car. But, we came back and he said, well, I've got a window price of $10,000. And I went, oh, no, we're not there. We're nowhere near that, Joe. So by the time we ended up talking about it, $5,500. $5,500. That's a bargain. Not only is that a bargain, but I made $200 out of the deal. That's a bigger bargain, because that cost me $200. So we're sweet. And not only that, I've known the salesman for many years. Not only was that sweet, but he's offered me a job there as well. 3 days a week if I want. It's ideal for me. Gives me a chance to do all my stuff. More money than where I'm at. So it looks like Zeke's going to be changing his place of employment. But I have to do the right thing, and I'll have to give my current boss a couple of weeks' notice. But things happen for a reason, don't they? You know, the way things pan out. She got a brilliant car for the money. I made a couple of bob off it. Christy's given this car to me now, so I'm going to repair it, and I am going to sell it. Harley was going to drive it, but he doesn't have a license yet, and we'll just end up with more cars on the, more cars in the driveway and stuff like that. So all is good. So I best grab that panel up and start getting on it, I guess. So there we have it. There's the old frame rails and cross member there. That's the piece I'm going to put on. Going to go right across. So tomorrow I'll pull all those bits off. And those bits off. Straighten this business up best of my ability, and get on welding that bit in. That should be pretty cool. I think that's we're going to go okay. Have a goodie. See you tomorrow.